This is Akshay from Leverage Edu. Thank you so much for taking out the time to join on a Sunday evening. Really appreciate your time. The idea of doing this Leverage Edu Mentor Town Hall was twofold. One was really wanted to share with you where we are right now, where is our head at, what are we kind of building in the future, how are we thinking about things. And second was to kind of hear from you guys on any ideas, suggestions, feedback that you have that can really help us. One, improve the experience for you. Second, improve the experience for the students as well. So what I'll do is I'll quickly run through a presentation that I have for you today in terms of what are the key updates, what are we doing, what are we building, and then we'll probably roll it over to Q&A and we can hear more questions coming in from you guys. Cool. So I'll get it going, and I'll probably move to the first few slides of my updates. So dividing this into two pieces, what are we aiming to build here, and key numbers. So prima facie, we have always aspired to build a very loved brand in the higher education space, and that is something that we've got closer to. At the moment, we're also building more product features, building new tools that can help the student figure out what's the right career for them, what's the right higher education option for them, what are the things that they could essentially do to be able to become the right professional, to be able to make the right living, to be able to be the best version. And these tools are completely free for the students. So happy to share with you that we have over 1 million plus people who come onto the platform today every single month. And this journey essentially has to get to 10 million plus people for us in the next 1 year. And that is something that we are maniacally focused upon. Second thing which is really important for us is consumer trust. And I'm sure all of you who have been associated with Leverage Edu in some way or the other can see this in everything that we do. And we measure this in 3 different ways. One is successful admission outcomes. Are our students getting to the right university that they really aspire to be at? Second is we try and measure the referral business on a platform, because this is a really useful hack for us to understand, are people that happy that they're referring us to their cousins, to their friends, to everybody that they know in their immediate surrounding. And happy to share again here that we have had this number move from 0.7% last year to 16%, which means 16% of our overall business came from our students referring our platform to others we know. And third is something new that we kind of started to measure, which is really useful for us. And I'm sure a bunch of you who have been our students and now are our mentors can see this through, which is measuring the success of our students once they have graduated from the program. And again, this is something that I'll put more attention to as we move forward, because we see a bigger role that mentors can play in this journey. While they're at grad school and also while they are starting their career. It could be something as simple as what courses should I take, what program should I pursue, what extracurricular should I kind of be focusing my time on, how should I prepare for that first company which comes on campus, how should I go about speaking about myself to the recruiters, or how should I, what are the things that I should be doing in the first 6 months of when I start my work life. A lot of these people are kind of starting their work life for the first time if they're undergraduate, or if they're masters without any work experience. So I think something like this will be really useful for us to help our students on, and this is something that really adds value to the mentor community and to the student community as well. Of course, more on it later. Third bit, which really kind of is important for us, is credibility. And for that, on the marketing front right now, we are going out and running a campaign around sharing stories of students who really do absolutely life-changing things, who really come from very odd and different backgrounds, but really fight through all scenarios that are out there in their life and make it to their dream schools, make it to their dream universities, and make it to their dream lives. So we're sharing more stories like these. Of course, we have a lot of mentors already contributing to this initiative and sharing their stories. So we would love to kind of have that support from you and publish more of those. Second is, in continuation with the previous point, we want to kind of figure out more around what should we do with the mentors in the journey after a student has gotten their admission. And that is something I would love for you guys to kind of share feedback on as we move to the second part of this town hall. Third bit is, of course, as we move towards making our brand connect with people in the larger Bharat scheme of things in tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. We really want to do things which help us kind of spread that organically. So while the digital, everything that we're doing digitally has helped us a lot, we are also looking at doing larger than life canvas things. The Angrezi medium partnership that you saw on our cover slide is a step in that direction. Even though the movie was supposed to release in the full theaters, it did not, given the COVID scenario. But a lot more stuff of that kind will happen, which pushes the brand, which really makes a brand very aspirational, very relatable for the students who want to push their dreams further, who want to really kind of do life-defining things. And yes, so more on this again later as we speak more about the brand. In terms of numbers out there on the screen, we grew by about 250% over last year. We have had our highest ever gross margin, which is a reflection of the full business certificate, which is a reflection of the love that we're getting from students, which is also a reflection of a lot of students reaching out to us through our organic channels now, directly on the platform, given the larger brand that we've been able to build, and not by clicking on an ad on social media or on in any paid ad per se. We also at the same time increased our NPS from last quarter by 20%. Of course, over a longer run, we want to make sure this increases to 100%, and about 100% of our students are absolutely happy with us. That number is closer to about 90 plus right now. At the same point of time, a lot of focus, like I said, on free information. Be there for all students who access us for free. NPS has a direct correlation to we being useful to all of the students who can't pay for any of our services as well. And we have had our organic traffic grow by about 100x. So I think that's a welcome move, and we want to kind of push that further, push that level further in those points too. So this is more around how we are reaching students we want to get to today. So in terms of what we're doing on the content piece, slightly one level deeper, we have 15 million views today, about 170,000 watch hours and 150,000 subscribers. In fact, if you go on any of our TikTok videos, on an average, we have about 100,000 to 500,000 views in every single video that we put out. YouTube, again, we have a lot of people reaching out to us and engaging our content, be it on test prep, be it on different careers, be it on different hacks that they can engage while they're applying to a university. We've also been innovating a lot in terms of how we can get to the students in the best possible way. And the last three things that you see on the slide are a reflection of that. UniConnect, our education fair platform, I'll speak more about that in a bit. We're also going deeply into the school and university ecosystem on the demand side. We're setting up counseling desks there. We are giving them an app which helps them connect to a mentor like yourself, 1:1 mentorship, but very basic career advice and a career guidance tool which helps them understand what careers could they really be good at as they move further in life. The last one is B2B recruitment partners, which means that in a lot of cities that we are not present in yet, we are getting, we are partnering with kitty party aunties and Mohalla rock stars like the tuition teachers who are really popular in that locality, and asking them if we can help the students who they are in touch with their higher education dreams, with their career dreams. And till now, we have gone to about 70 plus recruitment partners, and this is spread across some 16 cities, right from Surat, Nasik, Coimbatore, Amravati, and so on, Indore, Coimbatore, so on and so forth. So a lot of stuff happening on that front too. So of course, this is more of a congratulatory slide. Congratulations to all of you for having students reach out to all corners of the world and making sure that the level 2 flag is flying high. We now have a lot of students applying to universities in the UK as well this year. So I'm sure that chart will kind of rise up much faster. Similarly, I think New Zealand will rise up much faster, which isn't there on the slide right now. A lot of students applying to New Zealand today. Yes, the number is about 150 plus universities that we have touched so far. So again, this goes out to you guys. Some of you are very happy to see some of you have joined the call, were among our first 50 mentors. And today we have 2,000 plus mentors on the platform from 25 different countries. Largely, a lot of you are in different time zones. So again, thank you so much for joining today for this. You could see some of your brands either on the left or right of this slide. The largest a mentor has made, of course, is $1,300. But of course, the funny story is that this guy was only doing this for the month that he made this $1,300 on the platform. So I think that's more of a funny number out there. But yes, we really, what we're also doing in terms of mentorship is as we move further onto accessing a wide variety of students, and I'll talk more about that in a bit, as we help students apply to a diverse set of programs, as we help students apply to branded schools which are not only focused on academics. We also need mentors who can help them with things which are above and beyond just workshops. We want students who can help these students with something on the visa, something on how do I settle into this new country, how do I perhaps get a job in this country in the first 1 year, 2 year. What are the right visas that I should essentially be applying to? So we've seen a lot of mentors join us with that as a lens in the last couple of months, and we would love for more mentors to kick in and add those services, which really help Indian students who are moving abroad add those pieces in their or solving those pieces in their from their problem set as well. So again, so speaking more about where we are at right now with the magnifying lens. In the last couple of months, we also, about 4 to 5 months back, we also launched a new brand called UniValley, where we work more closely with universities, and we help them with a lot of 2B solutions. This could be either helping them get to students in a slightly more efficient way, in a more technology enhanced way, either helping them improve the quality of their intake, or also giving them technology solutions like a chat tool which helps the current students speak to the prospective students and stuff like that. Taking a step back, students who come on to Leverage Edu could be divided into 3 categories today. One could be students who are Ivy League or equivalent aspirants who want to go to the top 100 universities in the world. There we have mentors do 8 to 10 workshops, which you guys are already aware of, and help these guys over a period of 4 to 6 months. Then we also have students who are looking to go to branded schools, but are not very academic inclined, and they are looking at a diverse set of programs. And lastly, we have students who are looking to get to a country for a much better quality of life. People who are looking to go to Canada, people who are looking to go to US or in Australia or New Zealand or Southeast Asia for a much better quality of life. And again, like the second category, these are guys and girls who are looking for not the most impressive job on Wall Street, but they're looking for a job that still treats them in a far superior way that any job would in India, or a career that essentially helps them improve their standard of life in a far superior fashion. And we have kind of started to go deeper into this category and help a lot of these students too. And that largely is covered under UniValley schools. All our partner schools are called UniValley schools. So again, in more in continuation with that, 60 plus university partnerships today. These are schools that we more closely work with. Other than the stuff that I spoke about, we also help some of these guys do marketing programs in India. We help them build their brand. So just like, say for example, a lot of schools, a lot of top 100 universities would reach out to partners in countries that they would like to get international students from, be it in Australia, be it large parts of Europe. Similarly, a lot of these schools from the US or some of these Indian schools as well, who we have recently started working with, want to get students so that their international diversity criteria are met, so that they're able to get the right quality of students at the right cost, at the right in the right time. So you'll also see some Indian schools here on this slide, who are more focused on a diverse set of programs, like the Masters Union School of Business, which is very similar to how ISB started about 20 years back, or the Pearl Academy, which is really great for students who are looking to study fashion. And we are working more closely with these schools to help them find the right set of students, and help the students also to apply with the right tools. It could be starting from the right SOPs, like for Masters Union School of Business, to actually putting together portfolios for Pearl Academy. A lot of mentors, I could see some of them on this call as well, who help people build the right portfolios, do the right drawings, and all of that is very fascinating to watch. So again, thanks to you guys, we have built out a brand, we have built out a reputation where we really help students go to a wide variety of programs, and we really help them figure out what's the right career for them, than telling all of them to do degrees which the previous generation would have generally followed blindly. And I think that's where our value add comes in. So you will see stuff like biotech, luxury and brand management, aerospace engineering, dental hygiene, nursing, law, filmmaking. There's acting, there's sports management that I can remember where one of these schools directly places every single student who gets into St. Mary's in the UK. There's a program that is run closely with Chelsea. There's a program that is run by ESPN Star Sports. So I wish I knew about all of these schools when I was graduating. I was really interested in football myself. And so yeah, I think thank you for helping us build that reputation. Thank you for the diverse set of mentors that you are for helping us bring this diversity on the platform, in fact. So again, talking more about, I promised to talk more about this in a bit, and here we go. So we did two interesting things last 2 months, and the first thing was UniConnect, which is an education fair platform. And what UniConnect does is primarily, if you have seen education fairs that happen across large parts of the country, where universities come in and speak to students, they tell them what is right at their, what are the different programs that are there at the school, what is right, what is wrong. Students get a great chance to directly speak with the universities in a one-to-one scenario. Given the COVID scenario, we had universities who could not travel anymore, and we saw this as an opportunity to not just help universities but also help students connect with each other. And we built out this university fair platform called UniConnect, which is very beautifully built out, where universities can speak to students using booths and presentation halls, and students can also directly visit different booths just like they would in an offline scenario, and speak to these university directly. And we've also had a lot of hours in these UniConnect fairs. So in fact, we'd love to have some of you join these fairs. The next one is on 16th May, and we have students spend over an hour at these fairs on an average. We've also kind of got a lot of media on this innovation in the last couple of weeks. The second thing which I would like to go to is Leverage Live, where we saw that, of course, there's a lot of stuff that we're doing, which is right at the beginning of the student journey, which is about giving them access to free information, giving them access to free tools to help them understand what's the right career. But once you've decided it, they also need to sometimes, in some colleges, give these tests to get in. Start from IELTS, SAT, ACT, APs, GMAT, GRE, TOEFL, all of these. So what we've done right now, and still this is something that I'm sharing with you guys exclusively, we have not kind of launched this still in beta, is a platform that helps educators get in touch with students and teach them. And right now we are piloting a couple of these tester programs, and we'll open this soon to the larger audience set, the larger set of students. And what we're also doing within Leverage Live is a lot of our university friends wanted to share with students online courses that are out there. Because I think one thing fascinating, just to take a step back, has been while the larger world looks at universities with what's the right way to put it? Larger world looks at universities with within eyelids, thinking that, hey, these guys must be worried about when is the next intake happening. But that's really not what the university is focusing upon. The universities are focusing upon the fact that learning should continue, the fact that students should remain ahead of the curve. And I'm sure a lot of you who are in their final years at universities, who are in their second year, would really align with that fact. I'm happy to kind of hear more about what your university is doing for you as we move forward. So within Leverage Live, we have these online test prep programs. Plus, we also are giving the opportunity for universities to reach out to a wider audience on the Leverage Live platform and share their online courses. Of course, given the scenario, we've also had a lot of mindshare come our way, and we've been leading the industry voice, be it in terms of talking about international student mobility on TV, at Rajya Sabha TV, at CNBC, to being featured in Business Insider, Economic Times, so on and so forth. And if I could just possibly go back to the previous slide and the previous one, the one probably which has all the students, how they reach out to us. So yes, so the idea, so the larger idea with which we're operating is that this is a great time for us to also be able to help students. And I say that specifically on this mentor town hall because this is a great time for you guys to be reaching out to some of these students. We would love for you guys to come in and do webinars. We've been doing webinars every single day. We would love for you guys to kind of come in and write for us. Would love for you guys to kind of create media that we can share on our YouTube, our TikTok, and give you more exposure about talking about your life, talking about your career, talking about stuff that you're really good at. A lot of you have reached out to me in the last couple of weeks, speaking about you would want to work with more students, you would really want to go out and help more people. I think the best way to for you to do that is by sharing more content with us, co-creating more content with us, sharing stories of students who have already worked with you, how they have been really successful in their life, and more stuff like that. So yes, so given the mindset that we have today, given the brand that we've been able to create today, given the fact that universities trust us, third-party stakeholders work with us, and we've been given a chance to write the future of the students of this country and help them in some way or the other. I would love to essentially extend that same opportunity to you guys as well, and reach out to you and say that, hey, why don't we kind of come and do it together? Why don't you come in with your ideas on what more you can do for students? Not just in terms of co-creating content, like I said, but also in terms of other ideas, product ideas that you have, or other features that you think that we could really build that were really useful. That would be really useful as you interact with more students. That said, we are really moving forward and launching a new platform for you guys to engage directly with students at the end of this month, where you do not need to share your details necessarily, and the mentees can pre-book slots that you have made available in a certain week, and that will give you a lot of flexibility in terms of deciding your time. At the same point of time, we are also looking forward to you guys kind of re-looking at how you do some of these workshops, and we'll be adding a lot of tools to your bouquet to help you become a much better mentor than you are today. I'm sure all of you are already 10 on 10, but we will be gamifying some of these pieces, which will be really fun and exciting, and which will also give the students a chance to select the best mentors that they want to work with. So a lot coming up, a lot happening as we move forward, be it product, be it content, be in terms of our brand, be in terms of how we want to help students, be in terms of we being a very unique three-way marketplace between students, mentors, and universities that really wants to make sure the students win, the students benefit every single day. What I'll do from here is I'll open this up to questions and your feedback, your insight, your ideas on how we could make this more better. And of course, I'll be back doing this. I'll be doing more updates with the larger mentor set, and I can see some of those questions coming in already. Of course, we should do more of this, and I'll have more of these things coming in as we move forward.